Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple, yet super useful WhatsApp trick. How to unmute a group chat. Maybe you muted a group a while ago and now you want to start getting notifications again, or perhaps you accidentally hit the mute button. Either way, getting those notifications back is easy. Let's get started. First things first, let's dive into the steps to unmute that group. 1. Open WhatsApp. Start by opening the WhatsApp application on your phone. Look for the green icon with the white phone inside. Tap the icon to launch the app. 2. Go to the group chat. Next, find the group chat you want to unmute. Scroll through your chats until you locate the group. It might be buried if it's been a while since anyone has sent a message. 3. Tap on the group name. Once you've found the group, open the group chat. Then tap on the group's name at the very top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group info screen where you can see all the group settings and details. 4. Tap notifications and toggle off. Mute. In the group info screen, look for the notifications option. Tap on notifications, and you'll see a mute notifications toggle. If the group is muted, this toggle will be on. Simply tap the toggle to switch it off. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted the group, and you should start receiving notifications again as messages come through. Unmuting a WhatsApp group is a straightforward process that can help you stay connected to important conversations without missing out on timely updates. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your group notifications and ensure you're always in the loop. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.